And now the thing that's gonna elevate your look completely. My lighting might be a little off and on today. Just gonna let it sit for a while. My hair back. Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Ganesh and welcome back to my channel. So as you have seen in the thumbnail and read in the title, today I'm going to be sharing this makeup look which I do just to kind of elevate my look thoda sa without doing a lot of mehnat. You're just going to know everything in a bit. But before that, I hope that you have seen my recent video jahan pe I've shared my glowy makeup look, something that I do on a regular basis. That's just something that I do when I have to go कहीं भी. बट अगर कुछ स्पेशल इवेंट है, किसी की शादी है या फिर सम काइंड ऑफ बर्थडे पार्टी या कुछ भी, एंड आई हैव टू लुक गुड without doing a lot of mehnat on my makeup, then this makeup look is just gonna make you stand out. Trust me. And just one little extra step या one little change मैं कह सकती हूँ, and you're gonna love this look. So if you're interested कि ये look कैसे turn out होता है and everything, then please continue watching the video. Also I'm gonna try to mention all the products or link it whatever I can do, जो भी मैं बता सकती हूँ. Otherwise you can find everything easily on Nykaa, Amazon, जहाँ से भी आपको लेना है. So let's begin. But उसके पहले I'm gonna put all my hair back. There you go. Yes, there's no hair, and also I haven't applied anything on my skin right now. This is my natural skin. So first, of course, we need to prep. जिसके लिए first I'll be applying moisturizer. This one from Nivea. If you follow me, you know कि my moisturizer is mostly this one. It's very basic and also suits all kind of skin. सो बेस मेकअप तो बहुत ही बेसिक होने वाला है, जो हम लोग मैक्सिमम टाइम फंक्शंस में करते हैं. आई एम गोना यूज फाउंडेशन टुडे बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि आप इसको किसी इवेंट में इस मेकअप को पहनेंगे, नॉट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. ऑफकोर्स आपको जब लगाना, आपको इफ यू फाइंड using foundation on a regular basis, you can use it. I do not do that, so that's why. So this makeup look is gonna look good even if you do it on day, night, anytime, anywhere. Trust me. Now I'm gonna prep up my skin by using this Prep Me Up Face Primer from Nykaa only. This one, because I'm gonna be using foundation all over my skin and all of that. I think it's very important that you put a extra layer of primer. आपके मेकअप को भी बहुत अच्छे से बैठाता है and also good for making your base look very seamless. If you see closely now, this is almost blurred out my skin a bit. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but real में तो काफी अच्छा है ये base के लिए. Just gonna let it sit for a while. And now we're gonna start with foundation. Today I'm using this Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation, ये वाली. I am in the shade 03 Nude Glow. This shade is pretty much okay for my skin tone, I would say. There are a lot of shades in this, and also Mamaearth has launched their new foundation range also, if I'm not wrong. You can see that this is a very glowy foundation and long lasting. I've used it several times. It's more like you're using a serum than a foundation. इसका consistency बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे matte तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So that's the reason I like it. Whatever is left, I'm taking it down to my neck. बस इतना ही apply करेंगे, like dotting it majorly around my cheeks and forehead, not touching my eye area. Now you can blend in with your beauty blender or brush. I'm using brush today because my beauty blender has gone for wash and dry हो रहा है, so I cannot use it. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna just blend everything. Take your time and blend because it's really very important. Okay, so I have kind of blended it काफी अच्छे से. If you see closely, I haven't touched the area under my eyes or even near my eyes. It's just how it is. I've just done it everywhere else, and of course taken everything down to my neck as well. This is what it looks like currently. Next step is that I'm going to be using a concealer. Today I'm using this Swiss Beauty का concealer in the shade 04 medium beige. I do have a lighter one also in this, but आज I'm using this, and I'm just gonna dot it like this and little bit यहाँ पे, just because I'm going to be applying eyeshadow. यहाँ पे I've got one little baby pimple, So a little bit there and a little bit here, little bit here. That's it. इतना ही हम apply करेंगे concealer, and I'm going to use the same brush to blend this as well. Okay, so further blending my eyeshadow with a little smaller brush which looks something like this. Let's blend it. ओके सो इफ़ यू हैव सीन आई हैव ब्लेंडेड इट अच्छे से, बट अगर आप क्लोजली देखो ना तो अंडर आइज में थोड़ा सा ये केकी लगता है मुझे. आई डू नॉट लाइक इट लाइक दैट. सो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना बी टेकिंग दिस लैक्मे का कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर, दिस वन, एंड this comes with a tiny little mirror. I'm going to be taking the same brush जिससे I used my concealer. I'm going to dip in little bit, dust off the excess, dip in, dust off the excess. Now I'm just gonna place it here like this. My lighting might be a little off and on today because I'm not sure what's wrong with the tube light. अगर on करो तो काफ़ी पीछे fluctuations हो रहे हैं, so I'm just working it out anyway. Okay, so थोड़ा time हो गया that I've kept it. Now I'm going to take this bigger brush and just very light-handedly go like this, जिससे जो भी excess होगा वो brush out हो जाएगा and जिसको रहना होगा वो रहेगा. Just like आपके life से you remove toxic people and whoever is real they stay. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna dust off and remove all the excess product. That's it, done. My eyes look a little bit more brighter than the complete face, which is okay because anyways हम उसमें color apply करेंगे, I mean eye color. Now I'm gonna use this bronzer. This is also not something that I do on a regular basis. ये वाली bronzer I've got from Thailand. If you have seen my vlog when my sister went to Thailand, she got me this and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna take again the same brush, एक multi brush honestly. I hope you can see the difference. ये कितना ज़्यादा slim लग रहा है and this is looking so fluffy, which is also something I wouldn't mind, but इसका जो ये पतली वाली जो टिप पार्ट है ना उससे I like to do this. Just keep blending. Make sure आप अच्छे से blend करो वरना बहुत बुरा लगता है जब वो लाइन अलग से दिखती है. I'm gonna be adding little bit color अपने cheeks में. I'm using this dewy 03 strawberry yogurt blush. This is again from Thailand. I don't think so that we get this in India. I am not sure, but this shade आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा. This is such a pretty peachy color. Don't mind if I'm doing it over because मुझे personally वैसा अच्छा लगता है. I like blushy cheeks. And again same brush and just tap. वैसे तो generally I do use a highlighter from the Maybelline one, but because I'm using this blush and personally I feel कि इस वाले blush में you don't need a separate highlighter because this is very dewy, so that's why I'm skipping it. But अगर आप कोई और blush use कर रहे हो जिसमें normal glowy नहीं है या dewy नहीं है, please आप highlighter use करें या एक strobe cream use करें because वो बहुत आपके look को overall complete करती है. Now if you see my makeup, it's giving that shine, it's giving that dewy effect. Blush थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया and I don't mind it. Now we're going to be starting with the thing that's just completely going to elevate this entire look is using a eyeshadow. You can take any eyeshadow palette, कोई भी basic सा eyeshadow palette जिसमें neutral to brown shades हो. I'm using this one which again I received from Thailand. My sister gave me when she came from Thailand. उस haul में आपने देखा होगा. So I'm using this one. आप कोई भी basic सा एक eyeshadow palette ले ले जिसमें you have something like these ब्राउन शेड्स जो यहाँ पे है ना, ये सारे शेड्स हो, स्पेशली दिस ब्राउन वन बिकॉज वी आर गोना बी वर्किंग विद दैट. आई एम गोना टेक अ डिफरेंट ब्रश, दिस वन लिटिल फ्लफी, dip it in this brown shade right here, remove the excess and start placing it on my eyelid like this. Look how pigmented this is. I have hooded eyes, सो मुझे थोड़ा सा ऊपर तक लगाना पड़ता है, वरना लिटरली यू कैन नॉट सी एनीथिंग लाइक कि आई हैव अप्लाइड एनी प्रोडक्ट और नॉट. So I am gonna be doing this. That's it. I'm gonna leave it like this, not do much, because this is not the thing that's gonna elevate your look. We are just adding this so that it kind of completes my eye look, which you're gonna understand in a bit. That's it. I'm gonna leave it there and there itself. And now the thing that's gonna elevate your look completely is using a eyeliner, but not your regular black eyeliner which we all use. Instead, try using this blue eyeliner. I'm using this one from Lakme, and I think this is the exact blue that you should use. It looks so good, and जब भी I use this, people ask me कि कौन से brand का eyeliner I have used, because it's very important. And this is from Lakme. जो black वाली आती है ना, I don't know where I have kept, if जो सबके पास होती ही है, उसका ही ये blue version. I don't know अगर और कोई color है कि नहीं. So and ज़्यादा बिल्कुल भी कुछ tough नहीं है. Just take the color brush में, and उसके बाद पुट eyeliner जैसे आप नॉर्मली लगाते हो, आपको जैसे भी आती है वैसे. I'm gonna do it and I cannot talk while I do that, otherwise I'm gonna mess it up. So let's see what I do. That's how simple it is. Now I have hooded eyes, so I've made it a little thick than usual, and so that it kind of pops out. And trust me, when you do this, just look at my eyes. It's just kind of speaking on its own and popping. My complete look एक साथ जब आप कुछ अच्छे western या फिर Indian outfit में when you do this look, it's genuinely gonna look so good. So I have to make it rest for a while, otherwise, as I mentioned, I have hooded eyes. It's just gonna touch everything up मेरे eyelid में and mess it up. So I'm just gonna keep quiet and keep it like this for a few seconds. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm gonna put up my mascara by using this Stays ka mascara and use it like this. You go. I hope both my eyeliners are matching, because I honestly mess it up a lot of times. I'm not so good at applying it. Ek jaise hi, I think it's looking good and it's looking nice, or this is a bit thicker. Let me fix it. Okay, so I'm kind of loving now how it looks. Abhi we're gonna complete my entire look by adding lipstick. Aaj lipstick mein sabse pehle I'm gonna be using this red lip liner to line up my lips. I think वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Small tip, आप कोई भी रेड लिप लाइनर ले, उसे लिप लाइन कर दें, अप्लाई अ न्यूड लिपस्टिक. ओ माय गॉड, दैट लुक्स so good and it's kind of also trending now. Okay, anyways, आज हम अप्लाई करेंगे सबसे पहले Maybelline Sensation का 06 Best Babe, this one which I got in a sachet. I think इसका लिपस्टिक वर्जन भी आता है. very pretty shade. I'm gonna apply this. ये खुद में भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बट इफ यू नो मी, आई डू लाइक टू मिक्स एंड मैच शेड्स, एंड आई एम गोना मिक्स दिस मिनीसो का लिपस्टिक इन द शेड 01 Raspberry Wine, a very pretty color on its own. Little bit here. That's it. I'm gonna remove my hairband and show you all what it looks like. दिस इज हाउ इट टर्नड आउट. मुझे पर्सनली बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है कि बहुत ईजी है करने को. यू हैव टू जस्ट यूज अ ब्लू आई लाइनर एंड योर कंप्लीट आई लुक इज गोना जस्ट एलिवेट, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव हुडेड आईज. just do this look and just look how my eyes are looking right now, because otherwise कितना भी मैं आई shadow लगा लूँ या कुछ भी कर लूँ, hooded eyes में they never show up and I just hate it. So I think this is something that I found out and I love it. एंड yes, let me know कि आप लोगों को ये look कैसा लगा. If you try it, make sure that you come down and comment below. And yes, overall I personally love this look. I'm gonna try कि मैं link up करूँ जितने भी products I can find online. और अगर जो कुछ भी I cannot find, I have already mentioned the brand's name or from where I have got it. So yes, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys like this video. You know the drill. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल और इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी, देन please make sure that you take a moment and hit that red subscribe button. I'll super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.